Hi guys, welcome to Kids Guide. Children, today let's learn a new chapter from English textbook. The name of the chapter is Grandfather Frog and Jerry Turtle. Children, before starting the lesson, I will ask some questions to you. Have you ever played a trick on someone? Do you think it is a good thing to do? Children, planning tricks on others is fun, but we should not do it by harming others. Children, let's go through the story. In this chapter, we have four characters: Grandfather Frog, Billy the monkey, Longlegs, the white crane, Jerry the turtle. One day, Grandfather Frog was resting near the banks of Smiling Pool on a lily pad. He was a big green frog. He had just had breakfast and was sleeping. One day, a grandfather frog was resting near the banks of Smiling Pool on a lily pad. Banks means the land on the two sides of a river. Lily pad means the round leaf of a water lily that floats on water. He was big and green. He was resting on lily pad after eating breakfast. On the other side of Smiling Pool was Billy, a monkey. Billy was a naughty monkey. He liked to play tricks on others. He saw Grandfather Frog sleeping. He decided to scare him. A monkey named Billy was standing on the other side of Smiling Pool. He was very naughty. He likes to plan tricks on others. He was naughty and decided to scare the sleep. So off he went to Laughing Brook. He saw Longlegs, the white crane. He went up to Longlegs and said something in her ears. Both of them nodded. Then Billy went to Laughing Brook. Children, brook means a small river. There he saw a white crane named Longlegs. The monkey said something in her ears. After that, both of them nodded their head and the crane flew up. Children, nodded means moved the head up and down to say yes. The crane flew up. Then Billy went to Smiling Pool. All this time, Jerry Turtle was watching Billy. Jerry knew that Billy was up to some mischief. A turtle named Jerry was watching Billy. Jerry understood that Billy was planning something mischief. Here mischief means a trick. So Jerry Turtle went to Grandfather Frog. He jumped into Smiling Pool with a loud splash. Children, Jerry Turtle went to Grandfather Frog. Children, what was Grandfather Frog doing? He was sleeping. Where? On a lily pad. Turtle made a loud splash and Grandfather Frog woke up. What are you doing, Grandfather Frog? Asked Jerry. Thinking, said Grandfather Frog. Anyone can see you if you sleep like this, said Jerry. Grandfather Frog said, Yes, I should be more careful. Then Jerry Turtle warned, I saw Billy. He is going to play a trick on you. You better be careful. Jerry asked the Grandfather Frog, What is he doing? Grandfather Frog said that he was thinking. Jerry told to Grandfather Frog that everyone can see him. Why he said like that? Because he was sleeping on lily pad and he is easily visible to everyone. Grandfather Frog said to the turtle that he should be more careful. Turtle warned the frog that the billy is going to play tricks on him and said him to be careful. Thank you, said Grandfather Frog. I will be nearby. If there is trouble, I will jump near your lily pad, said Jerry, and he went back. Children, Grandfather Frog thanked Turtle, saying all this. Jerry said that he will be near him and make a jump near the lily pad if some danger happens. Then he went back. Soon, Grandfather Frog closed his eyes and began to sleep again. A few minutes later, Longlegs came to Smiling Pool. She saw that Grandfather Frog was asleep, or that is what she thought. She flew close to Grandfather Frog. Grandfather saw her coming near him and yawned. He moved his head from one side to another. Longlegs stopped and waited for Grandfather Frog to fall asleep again. At last, when Longlegs thought Grandfather Frog was sleeping. After hearing this, Grandfather Frog closed his eyes and went to sleep. Children, a few minutes later, the Longlegs came to Smiling Pool and noticed that Grandfather Frog was sleeping. She jumped at him. She tried to grab him in her beak. But Grandfather Frog jumped with a splash into the water and swam away from Longlegs. Children, then Longlegs grabbed him with his beak. But the frog made splash and swam away from the crane. At last, the frog escaped from the crane. Children, planning tricks on others is fun, but we should not do it by harming others. Children, I hope all of you understood the lesson. We will see in the next class. Thank you.